To change the transmission or main gearcase fluid on your RZR XP S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Then, place a drain pan underneath the transmission. Tip: placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Next, clean the area around the fill plug. After this, remove the fill plug. Now, clean the area around the drain plug. Continue by removing the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect both plugs and make sure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches. Replace if necessary. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Next, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Then, fill the gear case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. After this, reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Now, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.